How do you find Ganoderma? Actually, the forests of Malaysia are full of Ganoderma. Everywhere you can see a Ganoderma. So my first meeting with Ganoderma is I think in the mid 80s. At the time maybe 85, 1985, late 84. People bring this mushroom to me. Because I'm engineer, maybe hope that I can tell them what is the uses. Then after that, I went into the forest of Malaysia, and I can see many Ganoderma. Even until today, you go to the forest, you can see the big one, the small one, okay, high on the tree and below the ground. So many type of Ganoderma. Okay, so but we select it. Then we started to do experiment. Okay, so we check the efficacy. So we only take the 6 species which has the highest efficacy. Then we become the Ganoderma of DXN.